Here's what one of our valued customers in Naperville, Illinois, had to say about their experience with home restoration experts.
So we live in here in Naperville in one of the uh, northern central subdivision, and we got our house back in 2013. We first came in contact with Jonathan and his crew around 2015 onwards, and since then multiple house renovation and house projects have been executed by Jonathan and his team very successfully. We started off with the roof, starting off there with the gutters and with all the sidings and some of the other components which go with the whole jing bang, and then the skylights. Then next were the skylights that had to be replaced one after the other. Every year, we had to do some of the regular maintenance that comes along with. I think Jonathan and his team were always available to do it on time, on budget, and also make sure that if there is something that needs to be rectified, gets rectified promptly, and then also in the right manner, that is the right thing to be done for the customer. Very happy with and satisfied with the professionalism of the crew. Very honest, and someone whom you can trust, especially in this environment when you let someone come into the house and then to do the right thing in the right manner for a longer period of time so that you can continue to enjoy your home. Not to forget that they did the complete painting in our house also as a part of the one of the year project that we took over. So would highly recommend any kind of, whether it is small, big, or any kind of home renovation, to go and work with Jonathan and his crew. You will definitely not be disappointed.
Thank you for trusting home restoration experts. If you're ready to transform your home, give us a call at 877-813-9737 or visit homerestorationexpertsinc.com.